Hi Memrut, my name is Richard. I'm from 11J, option number 15. Today I'm going to discuss about mathematics past paper, paper 6 from 2011, winter number 7I and 7II. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, now let us see the first question. The question itself shows us the data about the mean, which is 8, and the data of the variance, which is 24. The question itself asks us about the probability of temperature between 7 degrees Celsius and 12 degrees Celsius. So now let we see how we can work out the probability. So in order to find the probability, we need first to subtract the probability of temperature which is less than 12 degrees Celsius with the probability of temperature which is less than 7 degrees Celsius. So we cannot find the probability if we use the x value. We need to convert it to z value first. In order to find the z value, we need to use the equation which is x minus mean divided by standard deviation. So if we input the value for into the equation, we can get the z value is 0.8165 for the temperature which is below than 12 degrees Celsius. So if we already get the z value, we need to refer to the binomial distribution graph. This graph shows us the probability by using the z value. So we can get the probability of z value is 0.7926 from the data. Now we need to find the probability of temperature which is less than 7 degrees Celsius. We use the same method as before, and we can get the value of the z value is equal to negative 0.0441. So the question is not done yet. We move to this next way. So like just before, we need to find the probability of the z value of the temperature which is less than 7 degrees Celsius, and we get from the graph that the value is 1 minus 0.5808. If we get negative z value, we need to find the probability, we need to subtract the 1 with the probability of the positive z value, like this. So we already get the probability of temperature which is less than 7 degrees Celsius and the temperature which is less than 12 degrees Celsius. We just need to subtract it just like the equation before. So we subtract 0.7926 with 1 minus 0.5808, and we get the final value is 0.373. This is the final answer for question 7I. Okay, so now let we see the next question. The question now shows us about the data mean u, and the standard deviation which is 2 nu. 7II asks us about the proportion of winter's days on which the minimum temperature is below 0. So now let we see the way to work this question. So as the question give us, we know that the mean is nu and the standard deviation is 2 nu. So we can get we first need to convert the value of x, which is 0, into the value of z. We use the equation x minus mean over standard deviations. We input the value into the equation and we get the final value of z is negative half. So now let's move to the next way. Okay, as we already get the value of z, we need to find the probability of the temperature which is below than 0. So as we already get the value of z which is negative half, we need to see the table of normal distribution to know the probability. As the value of z is negative, we need to subtract 1 with the probability of positive value of z. So value of z is half, and we can get from the data that the probability is 0.6915. So we subtract 1 with 0.6915, and we get the final probability is 0.3085. So we round it off. We can get the value of the proportion of winter days on which the minimum temperature is below zero equal to 0.309, or we can make it into percentage, which is 30.9%. Okay, that's the lesson for today. I hope you guys understand well, and for the other student, I hope you stay healthy, stay safe, and prevent from going outside too much, and enjoy the lesson from home, and meet again with you guys at the 12th graders. Bye.